Hello, today I'm going to show you how to install the SDK of HoloMIT and get started with it and do the first session. So the first step is to create a new project. We are working currently with this version with 2021.3. So we are going to select this version and we are going to rename this to test SDK. We are going to create the project now and I will be right back when it is opened. Once the project is opened, we have now to go to the package manager window so we can add the HoloMIT package by using the URL you will be provided, that is this one, and we add the URL here and we click in add, and now Unity will start to look for the package. We will be right back when it is installed. Once the SDK is installed, Unity will ask us to restart the editor because it is trying to install the new input system, which is used in the SDK. So we have to click yes and wait. Once the project is reopened after importing the new input system, we have now here the project ready to work, and in the HoloMIT tools bar, we can go to the menu because now we are going to create the menu. That is the part of HoloMIT that allows us to join new sessions. And we can use the quick setup button. This button allows us to create everything automatically and quicker. But as we can see, there is a pink material here. This is because we haven't added yet the URP, the Universal Render Pipeline asset. So we have to create a new one here in the rendering section. We are going to rename it to URP. And now in the project settings window, we can add here in graphics render pipeline. We drag and drop here, we click continue, and now everything is set up and working well. This is the menu, and now we are going to see how to set up a new pilot. Now we are going to see how to create a pilot. The pilot is the thing that allows us to join various players in the same room. So we are going to create a new scene and call it my pilot. And then here, as well as we have in the menu, we have a button here in pilot that is the quick setup that gets everything ready for us. The player routes are the position where the players will appear. Now we have 4, and in the example manager we'll carry on everything we need to have the session. So now we go back to the menu scene, saving the changes, and it's important that in the login, here in the menu controller, automatic login, we choose the name of the scene that now match, that is my pilot, and also the prefix we want our session to have. For example, test SDK. Once we have everything ready, we can click the play button and join our first session of the my pilot scene. So we have to do login. If you don't have any user or password, you can create a new one. And once we do the login, we can choose any type of representation. I'm going to do it with the 3D avatar. And once we click in done, it will create the session or join an existing one. And we are here in the session we have just created. As we can see, we have the avatar here and the positions will be updated for all the users in the session.